Hello knitters! Today I want to show you my glove design called Cacti. I absolutely love cacti. I even collect them myself, show it in the horticultural show. And for this design, I imagine my dream greenhouse filled with rows of colorful cacti in every shape and size. I wanted these gloves to feel fun and cheerful and full of personality, the kind of project you just can't put down. I actually brought this pair to my local horticultural show and my friends loved it. The glove is knitted from the bottom up, and even the thumb gusset features cacti motif. One side of the glove shows cacti without flowers, and then when you flip them over, you'll see cacti in full bloom. The flowers are optional though, and only needs less than, say, about 30 centimeters of the yarn, making this the perfect way to use up leftover bits from your yarn stash. For this project, I used Jamieson's of Shetland Spindrift for the following shades. Number 290 for Oyster, which is for the main color, 870 Cocoa for the plant pot, 812 Priory for the cacti, and 630 Dove for the shelves. When working fairer motifs in gloves, I find it much easier to use the magic loop method because it keeps the tension smooth and reduces needle changes. So my absolute favorite needles for the glove knitting are the Addi Classic circular needle, and it has to be 80 centimeters. If it's 100 centimeters, it's too long. But if it's 60, it's too short and make the knitting very awkward. And they're smooth, reliable, and perfect for detailed project like this. If you have a favorite circular needle brand, I'd love to hear it. Let me know in the comments below. The pattern is available as a PDF download. It includes written instructions, charts, and even an embroidery chart for the optional flowers to make sure you get the right position of the flowers on the cacti. And you can find all the details in a link in the description below. And I hope you will enjoy knitting this design as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy glove knitting!